Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is NYAR KOLANDO and I am your favorite Kenyan YouTuber. Today I'm going to be sharing with you just a little bit about my natural hair journey and how I've managed to keep my hair up to this length ever since I transitioned from relaxed hair to natural hair. So before we get into that, kindly make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Hit the subscribe button and hit the bell so that you don't miss any upload whenever I upload a new video. Also make sure you like this video and do comment in the comment section. So without wasting time, let's get right into it. So I started my hair journey back in 2016 when I accidentally bumped into a YouTube video about natural hair. I don't remember the creator, but that's when I really began to look further into more videos about natural hair and I was hooked. So by that time I had my hair relaxed and I was kind of transitioning. I started transitioning. I didn't do the big chop, although I saw that people were doing big chops so as to get rid of the relaxed hair. What I did is I used to trim my hair every few months and some would just drop off naturally. So that's what I did and it really helped me, and I was so focused and determined on getting my natural hair so lengthy and healthy. By then I had my hair up to bra strap length, like my hair was so long. So whenever I would trim my hair, I would just hold my tears back, but anyways, I had to let go of anything that was dead and that wasn't serving me because I had a goal which I was focused on. So it wasn't such an easy transition. It was painful, but also a good thing, to say the least, right? I don't really remember the exact date when I started transitioning my hair, but I do remember that by December of 2016, I was completely natural. Like I had my hair all natural, all the relaxed hair was gone, and I now started my natural hair journey completely with so much focus, guys. And by this time my hair wasn't that long, though it was kind of up to my, I can't say my shoulder blades, but it was a bit longer. So yeah, that's how I started doing my hair journey. And I could see a lot of YouTubers or other people like having a lot of products and having all these things, people laying their edges, but that wasn't really my thing. And being a lazy natural, I didn't have a lot of products and I never bought a lot of products. Like I just used whatever I had. And even while I had my relaxed hair, I used to do a lot of DIY products for my hair. Those are the things that I used to have on my hair, so it wasn't really difficult for me back then. I hope you are enjoying everything up to this point, guys. So now I'm just starting to do a little mini length check. I haven't done this in a while. I've been so very busy with stuffs. I used to just put my hair in protective styles, take them out, braid them again, and just that. So here, this is me just doing a little length check, and I had trimmed my hair, so I don't know how much it has grown, but we'll see about that. Anyways, guys, please make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Hit the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any notification whenever I upload a new video. Also, please, if you are enjoying this content, give this video a like, a thumbs up, and don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. So back to the natural hair update. Long before I even knew about transitioning, natural hair journey and all those stuffs, I used to do a lot of protective styles, even though I didn't know they were called protective styles. Like I just used to see people braid down their hair and do cornrows and sorts. So that's what I used to do. I never had my hair just out, like I never left my hair out. I used to braid a lot. So even during my natural hair journey, what has really helped me accumulate such lengthy amount of hair is the fact that I do braid my hair. I just put my hair away in a protective style, and this also ensures that I don't manipulate my hair that much. This also controls the amount of breakage that I'll get, and yeah, that ensures that I retain a lot of length, and I also grow out lengthy hair. So my go-to protective styles include cornrows. I really love cornrows because I can stay with them in for long. The most that I've stayed with my cornrows is like 3 months, and after doing the cornrows, I crochet. Is it crochet or crochet? I don't know. I do those crochet braids over, so it kind of lengthens the amount of time that I'll have them in, and that really protects my hair. I found that really protects my hair, and when I take them out, I really do have a lot of growth. Another style that I usually love are the 3-strand braids, though nowadays I don't do them as much. What I do nowadays so very much, apart from the cornrows and the crochet braids, are the 2-strand twist. I really love twisting my hair because I find that it's also like whenever I do the twist, I kind of get a lot of time to, like, I can manipulate my hair, I can add moisture to my hair, oil my scalp easily without any hindrance. So those are the 2 major protective styles that I usually do. And in between, and whenever I braid my hair, the time that I take them down, like when I wash my hair, I don't stay with my hair long enough while it's out in its natural state. Like, I don't know if it's just me, but I don't have that much amount of patience to work on my hair. That's why I just love braiding them and tucking them away, and this has really helped me so much. Despite being natural for over 5 years, this is the amount of length of hair that I have. I'm happy that my hair is healthy, but it's not so lengthy. Like, I think I've reached the plateau phase of my hair, whereby my hair isn't growing, it's stagnant, but I'm doing all I can to at least get past this phase, because I've been with my hair this long. Like, this is I don't know how to put it, but my hair has been in this state for the longest amount of time. I just can't seem to get past this phase of my hair. But anyways, I'll keep on trying. I know it's not quite a lot. Someone might be wondering, ever since you went natural up to now, this is the amount of hair, like it's not growing as much, but I'm working on it, and it's an experiment we are doing. So it's a journey, a process. People learn each and every day. So that's what I'm also doing, and I'm just doing my best. All right. So I think I'll mark today's date, like, to just act as a blueprint whenever I want to go back and reference like how much growth I've accumulated over time, because up to this point I don't really have much like pictures or anything to look back to and see how my hair has really grown. Like, I never really documented much of my hair growth. But anyways, this is it. And as I've told you guys, I'm not really such a product person. Like, I don't use a lot of products on my hair. I do a lot of DIY products, and I find that water really helps me in maintaining my hair, like in working out my hair, because it helps remove the tangles and everything. Another thing that I really love, the oil that I use on my hair strands is the avocado oil. And guys, I really love this oil. It's the only oil that I've been using ever since even I had my hair relaxed. So yeah, that works really great too. And on my scalp, I always make a concoction. If you want to see that, I think I'll do a video about the oils that I use on my scalp. But those are the only things that I do. And I also protect my hair a lot. I always leave my hair in protective styles. And also, whenever I take down my hair, I really love to finger detangle my hair instead of going in with a comb, because I find that when I do finger detangle my hair, I can feel all the knots and all the kinks, and I can be as gentle while removing them because I can feel them, as opposed to when I'm using the comb, I can't really feel each and every strand of hair. And also, as you do finger detangle, you'll find that your hair is less prone to breakage because you feel each and every strand and you gently remove them, right? So that's what I really do to maintain my hair this long, if you may. I think it's long, not quite long as expected, but it's long. And while I was doing my hair length check, I found that my hair is kind of uniform. Like, most parts of my hair is like 9 inches length, like it's 9 inches long, most of my hair part. So I think it's safe for me to say that my hair has grown out uniformly, apart from the left side of my hair, which is kind of 7 inches, because when I did my when I did my trimming, I kind of trimmed off a lot of hair from that section. So that's where I think the difference comes in, from the 9 and 7 inches. But it's nothing to worry about because my hair will grow back soon. My personal preference is to have healthy hair over lengthy hair, so I don't really obsess much about the length, though I do sometimes wonder how my hair isn't growing, but at least I know I have healthier hair. That's all that really matters. But anyways, it's only hair and it will grow out. Hairs do grow, so it's not such a big deal. So guys, that has been all that I do in my natural hair journey. I hope you did enjoy this video, and thank you for watching up to this point. Kindly do make sure you subscribe to my channel if you have not yet subscribed. Also make sure you hit the bell icon. Don't forget to like the video, and also kindly leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this video. Thanks for watching up to this point, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.